After reviewing my previous video over quadratic formula day 2, I noticed that the notes were very blurry in the format that I put it in, so please copy these down prior to listening to what I did tell you about the notes originally. They're still valuable, and it's a very short video, but I just noticed that it wasn't easy to read. Quadratic formula, day 2. All this really is going to be about is a simple review. Let me go ahead and zoom out for you so you can see the whole thing at once. There you go. We're going to review the 5 ways so far that we've taught in order to help you understand which method works best for which situation. Because there are definitely times where one of these 5 methods works better than another. And in the case of factor versus quadratic formula, there are some problems that are impossible to factor, but relatively simple to solve by using the quadratic formula. So you want to look at each one of the 5 methods: graphing, factoring, square roots, completing the square, and quadratic formula, and then you want to pay particular attention about when to use them. When you're looking for only approximate solutions, or if you have a multiple choice test where all you need to do is determine where your x values lie and match those to the answer choices that are there. That's an appropriate time to use graphing. Factoring is when you have an expression that is easily factorable. Okay? And when you're using square roots, you'll notice that you have a perfect square trinomial, and then on the other side of the problem you have a number that is easily solved by simply using a square root. Completing the square is easiest used when a equals 1 and when b is an even number. When that's the case, the balancing is going to be relatively simple because the balancing is going to be whole number balancing. Okay? The quadratic formula is that kind of run home to mama type of method. If you can't solve it any other way, the quadratic formula will always work. You just have to remember what it is.